Lesi sicelo esifakwe yiPostbank besizophoqa ukuthi iSASSA iqhubeke nokusebenzisana nayo ukholela izibonelelo zikahulumeni uma sekwedlule umhla zingama-30 kuMandulo. Kodwa-ke inkantolo isichithile.
This court declines to exercise its powers under Rule 6, subsection 12, subsection A, and consequently the application is struck from the urgent roll with costs.
Lokhu-ke manje sekusho ukuthi kusukela mhla zingu-30 kuMandulo abantu abacela ezigidini ezintathu abahola iSASSA besebenzisa iPostbank sekuzomele bakhokhele nezindleko zasebhange uma beqhubeka nokuyisebenzisa ukuthola imali yabo.
We welcome the judgment because we have always maintained that there's no agency. The contract is coming to an end, and this contract was entered into with regard to a deviation.
iPostbank ithi isazosibukeza isinqumo senkantolo kodwa-ke angeke iyeke ukulwisana nesinyathelo seSASSA.
Ukuthi besisase inkulumeni noSASSA sisakhuluma ngayo indaba yayo le-MSA yabo esinayo nabo ukuthi iqhubeke ngoba siyazi ukuthi iyona nto esiza kakhulu abaholi beyibonelelo ngoba akudingeki ukuthi bakhokhe ama-banking fees.
Nakuba lesi sivumelwano sokusebenzisana phakathi kweSASSA nePostbank sesifike emaphethelweni kodwa-ke abantu basengakwazi ukusebenzisa iPostbank ukuthola imali yabo.